Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is square and square roots. So we have already started exercise 6.4 and we have completed up to question number 4. In question number 4 we have to find the least number which must be subtracted from a given number to be a perfect square. So now the question number 5 is there, in which we are supposed to find the least number which must be added to the given number to be a perfect square. So the question number 5 and part first, that is 525. So we have to start like that, and we have to first of all pair. So pairing will start from the right hand side. So 2 ja 4, then we are supposed to subtract, and after subtraction we will get 5 minus 4, that is 1, and this 2 will move this side, and 2 plus 2 4. Afterwards we are supposed to borrow the next pair, that is 120, that is the 25, and the number becomes 125. So if we can consider here 41, if we write 1 year and 1 year, 41 1 ja 41, and if you write 2 42 2 ja 84, and if we write 43 3 ja, then it will become 129, which is more than 125. So we will not consider that 3, we will consider only 2. So 42 2 ja 84, we will get 1 here, and we will get here 4. So now we will stop. Now we will see this number, that is 22. So the number to be added will be equals to, this number is 22, so we will take the next, that is 23 square minus the number 525, and 23 square is 529, and that is 525. So 4. So 4 must be added to this number, and after that it will become 529, and it will be a perfect square, and the square root of 529 is 23. So like this we have to proceed. Now we will take one more part from the same question. That is part second, and second part is 1750. So we will start pairing from the right hand side. So here comes 4 4 ja 16. Why? We cannot write 5 5 ja 25 will be more than 17. So now we are supposed to subtract, we will get 1 here, and afterwards we are supposed to borrow the next pair. So now this 4 will go this side, 4 plus 4, it will become 8, and now 81 1 ja 81, 82 2 ja, that will be more than 150. So we will consider 1 here, 1 here. So 81 1 ja 81, and here we will left with 9 and 6. Now we cannot proceed further because no terms are there to be borrowed. So now we will see this 41. So the number to be added, will be equals to now this is 41, So the next square will be the next number will be 42. 42 square minus 1750, and 42 square means 42 into 42, that will be 1764 minus 1750, so we will get 16. So if 16 is added in that, then this number can become the perfect square. 16, not 16, that is 14. 1764 minus 1750, the 14 will be remaining. The 14 is the number which must be added to this number to be a perfect square. After that, we can take one more part. That is part third, and the third part is 252. 252. So again we have to start pairing from the right hand side, and we have to consider the first pair, that is not a complete pair. This is only the number, that is 1 1 ja 1. If we write 2, 2 2 ja 4 will be more than 2. So here we are left with 1, and then we are supposed to move that 1 this side. 1 plus 1, that is 2, and here we are supposed to borrow the next pair, that is 52. So here if we take 5, 25, 5 ja 125, and 26, 6 ja 6 6 ja 36, 6 3 6 2 ja 12 plus 3 15, and that will become more than 152. So we will take only 5 5. 25 5 ja 125, and we will get here 12 minus 5, that is 7, and 4 minus 2 2. Now we cannot proceed further, so we will take this number only, and we can find out the number to be added. The number to be added, next number to 15, that is 16, means 16 square minus 252. 16 square means 256. 256 minus 252, and that will be 4. So 4 must be added to this number to be a perfect square. So like this we can proceed. Now the remaining part of this question you are supposed to try by yourself, and we will discuss the next question, that is question number 6. And question number 6, we should read the question. Find the length of the square whose area is 441 meter square. The area is given, area of the square is 441 meter square. We have to find the side of the square. Let the side of the square be x meter. So according to question, side into side is equals to area. Side is x into x, that is 441, x into x means x square is equals to 441. X will be under the root 441, means we have to find the square root of 441. 441 we have to find the square root. So first of all we will start pairing, and then 2 2 ja 4, here comes 0 and 2 will come this side, and 2 plus 2 becomes 4, and we are supposed to borrow the next pair, that is 41, and 41 1 ja 41. So the square root of 441 is 21. So the value of x will be 21 meters. So if the area of any square is given, that is 441, the side of that square will be 21 meters. So like this we are supposed to proceed. I hope that you have understood, and you can solve the questions which are given in the exercise. If you are facing any kind of problem, or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. Thank you very much.